Hello friends, very good morning to everybody. In today's video we are going to see some basic garden tips. So come, let's go into the video. I am going to explain the basic garden tips using PPT. So come, let's go into this PPT. So first we are going to see about things you need to start a terrace garden. So the basic requirements are grow bags or pots, soil mixture, manure, seeds and saplings, space which gets sunlight. So sunlight is very important for plants, and you can also sow seeds or buy saplings from the nearby nursery. Manures are very important for the best growth of the plants. Soil mixture is important so that roots can grow well. Grow bag or pot is used to grow plants in that. Plants which beginners can start. So if you are beginners for a terrace garden, so you can start these plants. In flowering plant you can start table rose, jasmine, hibiscus, this and all you can start. Fruits, papaya, guava, sweet lime, and drumstick tree leaves, like that you can start. Vegetables means you can try okra, that is lady's finger, brinjal, all types of green leafy vegetable, cluster beans, like that plants you can start growing, and all croton plants also you can start. Grow bag and pot size. So grow bag and pot size is the most important thing to grow plants. So some plants need a big pot so that the roots can grow very deep and the plant will also grow very well. So for climbers and creepers you can choose grow bag size 15 15 into 18 or 18 into 18. That size will be suitable. And green leafy vegetable 18 into 9. That size will be suitable. Root vegetable like radish, carrot, beetroot, potato, sweet potato, turmeric, that and all, etc. You can choose 12 into 12. That will be correct. Vegetable means you can choose 15 into 15. That will be suitable for basic type of vegetables. Fruits means you can try growing rectangular grow bags or 15 into 18. That size will be suitable. Next we are seeing is about some more things we should know about. There should be proper drainage holes because if drainage holes are not good, whenever it rains or whenever we water the plant, the water will stagnate and the plant's roots will get decayed, and many health problems will come to the plant and the plants will start dying. So grow plants which will be helpful to you. So for example, chili, tomato, coriander, and mint, that and all you use regularly in your garden. So you can try growing. If you try growing these regular things which you use in the kitchen, it will be very helpful. Because you can put some organic substances in your dish also. So you can also try growing fruit plants for your favorite and wish. For example, some people like to grow dragon fruit and they wish that they should grow dragon fruit. It will be good if we grow like that. So you can also try growing fruit plants for your wish, and always have 7 to 10 flowering plant in your garden because they will attract honeybee and butterfly, which will help in better pollination. Spending time. So spending time is very important in gardening. So beginners, you always start with less amount of plant. Don't buy more pot and more grow bag and put it in your terrace because first at the starting you start with 3 to 4 plants. So then you check how much time you can spend, availability of spending times, and if you are getting more time and if you are having more free time, you can increase your plants number. So you should always grow plants in correct weather. Uh, for example, uh, for example, this okra and all will grow very well in throughout the year. Jasmine plant will flower only in summer season, like that, and all plants grow according to weather. So for that also you can check. And as I said, 30 to 45 minutes in your garden you should spend time, because you should water, and you should prepare soil mixture, and you can also prepare compost in your garden. You should check about pest attacks, and if there are pest attack you should spray pesticide, and you should check how to control that pest and all. So next we will see sunlight requirement. So all plants require sunlight a lot, because they photosynthesis, because of the sunlight only, it's a very important thing. So leafy vegetable, that is green leafy vegetable, it needs 3 to 4 hours sunlight. That is enough. You can keep it in a shady area. Vegetable means 6 to 7 hours sunlight is definitely it needs. So you should keep it in a sunny part. And fruit trees also 7 hours sunlight it needs. Drumstick trees, sweet lime and all you can keep there. So thanks a lot friends. Meet you all in the next video. So hope this video will be helpful to you all.